Hey, this is Ashwin. One of our agenda at IMAX is to work on breaking digital accessibility barriers in corporate social inclusion. We see that these barriers are due to lack of awareness, training and expert guidance in implementing accessibility best practices. So, we are contributing on working on these lines to create an inclusive digital ecosystem.
I'm from Healthy Life. We are a 2.5-year-old startup working in the area of clinical information management, especially in the electronic health record domain. This is in the context of national health EHR standards, which has been published in 2013. So, we've developed a platform, a cloud-based EHR platform called EHR.network, which is actually hosted on the cloud and publicly available. It can actually support a variety of different use cases, right from allopathy to all kinds of Ayurveda, yoga, all kinds of different healthcare practices. On the platform, we built a product called IIIT, which is specifically targeted at the Ayurveda yoga resorts. Okay, this is currently in the market with live customers. Okay. On the platform, we are currently working with the college and electronic health record research center in the college to build a public use platform. Okay, electronic health record platform which can be used for public use and research, and we are also collaborating in the mental health management system that Karnataka government is planning to implement.
Hello everyone, this is Gopi from Neridio Systems. We are in business of solving the data growth and data security challenges in various forms of data breaches and cyber security challenges. The main objective of the company is to give the central control and visibility over the data for the customers wherever the data resides in the multi-geo data grids.
Hi, my name is Ignita D'Souza and I'm part of engineering team at Zero Labs. Zero Labs work on different privacy preserving techniques, and we mainly focus on privacy preserving encryption schemes called as fully homomorphic encryption or FHE. Using Zero Labs techniques, the user's data can be encrypted on his machine or at the client side, and it can be sent to the cloud for further processing. Now the cloud cannot decrypt the user's data because the cloud does not have the user's keys. But at the same time, the cloud can perform the usual operations on the data such as the DB operations, or it can even run the user's encrypted data on the machine learning models. Now the data of the user is more secure since the data has been encrypted and the cloud or this cloud service provider cannot see it. So Zero Labs inventions are centered around new generation techniques or technologies that not only preserve the confidentiality of a user but also the authentication and integrity of data. And here we at Zero Labs works towards making the internet private again.
Hello and welcome. This is Supervisor from IIIT. IIIT brings you an unique enterprise-wide service management solution. It's called iFix. We help our customers to resolve all of their service-related needs and issues using our one-stop solution called iFix. The service issues can come from various operational domains, which can be customer services, vendor services, employee services, IT infrastructure and application services, or even citizen services, or from the various machines, devices, factories, connected vehicles, connected homes and wearables, etc. iFix has a proprietary and a patented technology-based framework which is called DPR, Detection, Prevention and Resolution, based on technologies like robotics process automation, artificial intelligence, data science and IoT. Our customer engagement model is very unique. We believe our customers should pay only for the benefits and the values they receive, not for the features and user license. You see in our product, we have got a conversational bots based interface which can talk in multilingual way and collaborate with all the human beings. On the other hand, we have got an IoTalkie which can collaborate and talk with various machines and devices, and that's how we detect, prevent and resolve all the issues.